Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new, welcome. Thanks so much for stopping by. My name is Tamara Renaye. So as you can see by the title of today's video, it is all about this unit that I'll be installing, styling, and rocking. It was sent to me from Hairvivi. Y'all, all hair details will be down in the description box below. Okay, so we do have, a nice curtain bang situation going on. This hair is so soft. It is so beautiful, you guys. Like, I love Hairvivi, like hands down. Child, I actually was not going to do a talk intro outro, but the way this hair got me feeling myself, baby, yeah. And one thing I don't think I ever told y'all, but Hairvivi, I really love their packaging. Their packaging of their units, like, you can tell that this is a company that actually cares. And on top of that, like, this hair smells so good. It smells as if they washed this hair in like some good hair product and probably sprayed it with like a hair perfume or something. There's a nice delicate scent that I love so much. And the typical scents, like the factory smell, yeah baby, you ain't got to worry about that with Hairvivi. Okay, so with this unit, I did do a side part and a middle part. Got the middle part right now, but yes, this hair was so simple and easy to install and style, and y'all, that is honestly it. Y'all will see me do the regular typical install method when it comes to my wigs, but if you are interested in this unit, all details will be down in the description box below. Big shout outs to Hairvivi. Okay, so if you're interested in seeing how I styled this unit, then keep on watching. My loves, so I didn't plan on talking in today's video, but I really had to like pop in real quick because this hair is absolutely stunning. Okay, it is so gorgeous. I love how it takes the curling iron, like the curls, the hair is just so nice and bouncy, and the curls are curling. I am all the way here for it, and I really love how it looks with the side bang. I have my hot comb reheating because I'm gonna do a middle part and show you guys what this looks like in a middle part. And yeah, but so far I am absolutely in love. And one thing I really love about Hairvivi, their hair, like, you know, the typical factory scents, yeah, not with Hairvivi. Okay, this smells like good hair product was in this hair. It's as if they washed it in like good hair products, because there's a beautiful, soft, feminine, loving scent, and it's on all their units. I always smell it, but I never, you know, let y'all know that. But man, baby, yeah, let's do the middle part. All right, y'all, so this is the middle part. I really love how this looks. To be honest with y'all, I don't know if I like the side part or the middle part more, but I really love these curtain bangs, and I just love how Hairvivi, like, they already styled the hair for you, so there's literally no work for you to do besides curl the hair. But I'm all the way here for it. This hair is so soft, sleek, and bouncy, and I just love, again, how it just takes the curls. Like, this looks so good. All right, loves, so this is the end of today's video. All hair details will be down in the description box below as always, so if you're interested, do check that out. Do give this video a big thumbs up, hit that subscribe button if you haven't done so already, and hit that little bell to be notified whenever I upload a video so you never miss a video. Follow me on Instagram at Tamara Renaye, follow me on TikTok at tamara.renaye, and keep up with me on my blog at www.tamararenaye.com. I love you guys, thank you so much for watching, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye. Even good things,